Welcome to my channel. EE Router Login. EE Web UI allows you to change Wi-Fi password, network name, SSID, and default router settings at 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.1.254. How to log into EE Router. Open a browser and type 192.168.1.1 in the address bar. Enter the username, admin and password and click Login. You will be logged in to the EE Web User Interface, UI. Click on Settings, Wi-Fi Basic. Enter the Wi-Fi network name in the Wireless Network Name, SSID field. Enter the Wi-Fi password in the Wi-Fi password field. Click Apply to save the changes. For EE Smart Hub Router, open a browser and type 192.168.1.254 in the address bar. Select the wireless box and enter the admin password and click OK. Select 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz settings. Enter the Wi-Fi network name in the network name field. Enter the Wi-Fi password in the security password field. Press Save to apply the changes. Thank you for watching.